My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the adware called ValidNatural. ValidNatural is a new adware that is from the adload family of infections. By the way, ValidNatural adware is typically spread through being integrated with a lot of free applications. So in most of the cases, people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. A ValidNatural adware, once installed, slows down the performance of your Mac in general. So definitely you need to get rid of this adware. It does not bring any value at all. So check your Finder, check your applications, find this program called ValidNatural, right-click on it and move it to the trash show. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.